In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a numeric range slicer in Power BI. Power BI is a robust tool that helps you create visually stunning and interactive reports and dashboards. A numeric range slicer is a fantastic feature that enables users to filter data within a specific range, making your reports even more dynamic and insightful. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your Power BI file where you want to add this helpful feature. Once there, look at the right side of your screen for the visualization pane. This pane is your gateway to all the visual tools Power BI offers. Among these, you will find an icon that looks like a funnel, which stands for the slicer visual. Click on this icon to add a slicer to your canvas. Visual elements like these are essential in bringing your data to life, making them more understandable and shareable with your audience. With your slicer added, the next step is to customize it for numeric use. To do this, you should navigate to the fields area right there on the right. Look for the data field you want to use. In this case, let's use quantity. Simply right-click on the slicer, and a small menu will appear. From here, select your quantity field. This embeds the numeric data into the slicer, transforming it from a simple visual element to a powerful data filtering tool. Now that your quantity data is embedded within the slicer, the exciting part begins. This is where you have the flexibility to manipulate the numeric range to suit your needs. You can click and drag the ends of the range selector to define the specific range of data you want to see. Power BI uses this selection to dynamically filter your dataset, updating your visuals in real time as you adjust the slicer. It's like having a magic wand for your data analysis. Adjusting the range helps you to zero in on the specific data points that are most relevant to what you're exploring. Whether you're prepping for a meeting or just diving into data analysis, this feature allows for a deeper understanding and a more tailored view of your data sets. And there you have it. You've successfully created a numeric range slicer in Power BI. Remember, understanding how to efficiently use tools like this can significantly enhance your reporting capabilities and help you convey more precise, data-driven insights. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Power BI tips and tricks. See you in the next video.